for the Hypno-Punk.
I've got one question for you. Are you ready?
Yeah!
No. Ace of Spades, I ask you a question. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Put your hands like this. Now do this. Now do this. Ah, thank you. That makes me feel good. Can everyone hear me okay? Very good. All right, but seriously, put your hands like this. Put your thumbs down like this. Cross your left over your right like so. Interlock your fingers with your thumbs facing down. Yeah, make sure that your thumbs are facing down. Good. And on three, copy me. 1, 2, 3. Now go like this. Hands up if you believe in psychics. Oh, wow, about 60% of the audience. Hands up if you believe in déjà vu. Hands up if you believe in déjà vu. That's right. Hands up if you believe in mind reading. Now, inside your head, if you believe in telepathy, scream it inside my head. Shit, that was loud. Put my hand up if you believe in telekinesis. Put your hands up if you think mentalism is fake. I've been faking this shit for 26 years and haven't been caught yet. So how tonight works is I'm looking for one victim, volunteer, to come up on this very stage. So could I just get one volunteer for a little experiment, please? Come on down. Hello, what is your name?
Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Please be careful of the wire right there. We've never met before, right?
No.
Everyone can hear us okay? Lovely. This is Anna. I'm Hypno-Punk.
Hi.
I wasn't sure. Do you believe in mind reading?
I do.
Do you believe in psychics?
I do.
I believe it's all bullshit and I'm using techniques to get there tonight. But you will think that I'm reading her mind, but I honestly possess no psychic ability whatsoever. You up for something? I want you to put your hands by your side. So if I touch you by your shoulder and stuff, beautiful. All right. I want you to think of somebody that's meaningful in your life. Think of their name. Somebody that there's no way, like if it's your mum, don't think of mum, but you could think of the name, or if it's a partner or a child, but someone there's no way that I could get. Do you have someone?
I do.
Do you want to change that person?
That's so funny.
That's right. It's already started.
It started.
If you want to change, you can change.
I don't want to change.
You want to stick? All right. So there's no way that I could know. All right. So we're going to do a little experiment because I want to keep you honest. All right.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is in my little notes app, I'm going to go back there so I can't see you. I'm going to turn my back. Everyone keep an eye on her. Make sure she doesn't cheat. I want you to put the name of that person. And then when you're done, press done. And then I'm going to get you to hold on to my phone so I can't see it. Make sense?
Yep.
So you get the task?
I got to write down
Write the name, press done, and then just tell me when you're done. But
Okay.
don't start until I've turned my back to you.
All right.
You got it? I can trust you with this phone, right?
Yep.
You're not clumsy?
No.
All right.
Well,
Grab the phone. All right. Take your time. Think of the person that you're thinking, and just let me know when you're done.
do I press done?
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, press done when you're done. And you press done? Lovely. Okay. Can I turn around?
Yep.
Lovely. With my phone now, you can put my phone in your back pocket for now so I don't see my phone, all right? But make sure you give it back. All right, so just face me, hands by your side. I'm going to say a bunch of shit right now. Your job is, have you ever played poker before?
Yes.
Poker face, give absolutely nothing away. I'm going to ask you a bunch of things, give nothing away, poker face, and when I make my prediction, I'll make it nice and clear. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, so I want you to want me to get this right, will me to get this right, but give absolutely nothing away. You're quite a visual person, aren't you? you see things quite colourful in your head. So imagine between you and I right now, there's an IMAX screen, or there's the Sphere in Las Vegas, right? So it's like 100 feet wide and it's wrapped around you by 100 foot wide. See the person's name written on it. Give nothing away. Very good. You just say nothing. Is the person male? Is the person female? So it's Mal. Okay, give nothing away. Don't answer. It's Mal. The person's Mal. How many letters are in the name? Give absolutely nothing away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4. It's 3 letters in the name. Give absolutely nothing away. I'm going to go through a few letters. Give nothing away. Is there A, E, I, oh, there's an A, but does it start with an A? Are you right or left-handed? Put your left hand right here, touch my hand. Is the A at the beginning? No. Is it in the middle? Possibly. Is it the end? No. There's an A in the middle. Give absolutely nothing away. This person means something to you, right? Deeply? Okay. 3 letters, it's a male. There's an A in the middle. In your head, scream it. Say nothing out loud. Scream it even louder. You're at volume 7 in your head. Scream it in my head at 10, like really, really, really loud. Who's Max?
Wow.
What, was it Max?
It was.
Beautiful. Give her a round of applause. Thank you. I don't know if this is going to work. This is truthful right now. This might fuck up. So you might be ready to see a big fuck up right now. Would it surprise you that tonight, before I came out, I made a note? I made a note that you would say Max. Would that surprise you? And I wrote it down at home. At home, there's the name Max. Would that surprise you? I wrote down Max. No one believes me, right? But I just so happened to have bought that in my wallet that's sealed. It's sealed, right? Could you read that, please?
You will say Max.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Thank you. That was great.
Beautiful.
Thank you. You keep that. Guys, if you have enjoyed tonight, I've been Hypno-Punk. If you haven't enjoyed tonight, I've been the Great Ravine. And just remember, mentalism is real, but reality is just an illusion. Thank you.